To run app, simply put iPhone on top of the washing machine. Now there is big vibration. iPhone is able to detect the vibration and to measure the speed. I will do again, just a few seconds for acquisition of data. And you can see on the display the speed. Now I will stop the machine and I will describe very shortly how the app is built. The app WashSpeed uses the 3-axial accelerometer of iPhone, and afterwards a mathematical algorithm detects the main order of the data of vibration, that means the speed of the drum. The range of speed calculated is from 400 rpm around per minute till 1600 rpm. Lower limit is because for lower speeds vibration is very low, and therefore mathematical algorithm doesn't work very well. For higher speed, for the higher limit is because in the market not so many machines with higher speed. Last thing is that to run the app you need to put some piece of laundry inside the drum, because empty drum means no vibration and therefore algorithm doesn't work. And that's all. Thank you for your attention. If you have any comment or suggestion, please log on to www.washspeed.com or write me at info@washspeed.com. Thank you again and goodbye to the next app.